If you receive notice that a property is located in a flood zone and flood insurance is required, and this could occur when you're buying or refinancing or just living in your property and making your mortgage payment each month, and servicing sends out that notice. Well, what you can do to possibly reduce the cost of flood insurance or eliminate the need altogether is have an elevation certificate completed. And these are done by engineers, architects, or land surveyors. And the costs will range anywhere from $300 to $700. That's money well spent given the cost of flood insurance. To give you an idea of how much money you could save just one homeowner, a client that comes to mind with a waterfront property, without the elevation certificate, the flood insurance each year would have been $18,000. With the elevation certificate, it's just $1,800. So if you do have an elevation certificate completed, and it shows your dwelling is above the base flood elevation, you want to send that into the mortgage company so it can be updated on their side. Also, contact FEMA about filing a letter of map amendment so the flood map can be updated. This can be beneficial down the road if you're trying to refinance again, or if you're selling the property. A property that's not in a flood zone could be more attractive to a potential buyer because flood insurance can be very, very expensive. Now, even if you're not in a flood zone, have a conversation with your homeowner's insurance agent about a preferred risk policy. It's an additional layer of protection, much more affordable than flood insurance, because standard homeowners insurance does not cover flood-related claims, and more than 25% of all flood-related claims occur outside high-risk areas, the areas that require flood insurance. In the description below, you'll find a link for FEMA's map search. You can look up any property to see whether or not it's in a flood zone. And if you want to connect with me, if you have questions, click on my link tree. Lastly, if you want to learn more about credit, financing, or real estate, please be sure to like, follow, and subscribe.